Hey guys, today in this quick tutorial we're talking about Block Blaster. Block Blaster is brought to you by Holy Fire Games and can be played on the gazpo.io site. You play in a large four-sided arena. There are two large slowly revolving paddles that you can use as cover. Your ship cannot come into contact with anything, the walls or the paddles, or else it will be destroyed. You will face ever-increasing waves of different sized blocks that are hell-bent on smashing into you and ruining your day. There are many different sized blocks, with the bigger ones moving much slower than the smaller, more mobile ones. Also, the yellow block types move much more quickly and can change directions very fast as well. They certainly do chase you. Because of this, you should get used to moving often and also being able to aim and fire on the run. Your fighter ship is controlled by moving the 4 arrow keys on the keyboard, up, down, left and right. You aim at the enemy with your mouse pointer. You fire your current weapon by using the left mouse button. You can select different weapon types by choosing the 1, 2, 3 or 4 keys. I have found that number 1, the basic gun, to be the most effective. As you complete more waves, your weapon will slowly raise its firing rate and the damage that it does. This is great for cutting through massive waves of blocks like a hot knife through butter. But you will have to watch out though for the recoil, which will slowly push you back. Block Blaster can be a challenging game at first, as you will have to coordinate using both hands for movement and defense. The upside is that it is a real rush when you get all of those things sorted out and you're dealing with massive waves of blocks coming at you. It's a game that starts off slow but certainly doesn't lack anything in the excitement department. Enjoy.